Internal problems grew. Corruption increased. Control weakened. People stopped believing in the system. And when people lose belief, no empire can survive. History tells us Rome fell because of invasions. But that's only part of the story. The truth is, Rome was already collapsing. From within. Money didn't just support the empire. It quietly destroyed it. And here's the real question. Are we different today? Governments print money. Prices rise. People struggle. The pattern looks familiar. History doesn't repeat exactly. But it rhymes. Rome was not the first empire to fall because of money. And it won't be the last. The real danger is not war. Not enemies. But invisible systems. People don't question. Because when money breaks, everything breaks with it. They started changing their money. Roman coins were once made of pure silver. But over time, they reduced the silver inside. More coins. Less real value. This was one of the earliest forms of inflation. At first, nobody noticed. People had more money in their hands. But something felt off. Prices slowly started rising. Food became expensive. Daily life became harder. But most people didn't understand why. They thought the problem was somewhere else. Then something more dangerous happened. People lost trust in money. Merchants refused bad coins. Soldiers demanded more pay. The system began to break. When money loses trust, everything starts to collapse. Trade slowed down. Production decreased. The economy weakened. Rome was still powerful on the outside. But inside, it was falling apart. This is how collapse begins. Not suddenly, but slowly. Rome, the greatest empire in history, was not destroyed by barbarians. It didn't fall because of war. It didn't collapse overnight. Instead, it slowly destroyed itself. And the reason is something most people completely ignore. Money. What happened to Rome is not just history. It's a warning. Because today, we are repeating the exact same pattern. At its peak, the Roman Empire was the most powerful civilization on Earth. It controlled vast lands. From Britain to the Middle East. Trade was booming. Gold and silver were flowing in. Everything seemed stable. Everything seemed strong. Rome looked unstoppable. But then, something changed. Rome began to spend more than it could afford. Massive armies. Huge infrastructure. Luxury lifestyles. The empire needed more money. But instead of fixing the system, they chose an easier path.